If you're thinking about getting an impact gun and you're trying to justify it, I'll give you one perfect job for it besides taking lug nuts off a car. When you're changing mower blades on your zero turn, your lawn tractor, or even your lawnmower. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is using the lawnmower jack that I just put a video out on. If you haven't seen it, look for it. It's a great piece of equipment, 130 bucks. It'll lift this lawnmower up high enough that it's really easy to take blades off. So let's get moving. Make sure you leave the parking brake off. It's up all the way. The locking pins are locked in, so this cannot drop. Okay, well, let's get these blades taken off. All right, that's it. Now we're going to lower it down, which means pull the pins, both sides, press down on the pedal, well, that's it, the job's done. Using the air impact to take the bolts off the mower blades and that hydraulic tractor jack really made a difference. The nice thing is, if you have an extra set of blades, you can always have a set sharpened, ready to go. And if you didn't see that video, I posted it a little while ago on how to sharpen lawnmower blades safe and easy with not a lot of money. It's the everyday man saying, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.